Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt Training and Certification Program. This course is going to teach you everything you need to know and become a successful Six Sigma Green Belt certified professional. It provides you a practical perspective of learning Six Sigma tools. This is one of the few courses available online that not only helps you understand Six Sigma principles, tools and examples, but also helps you do a realistic Lean Six Sigma Green Belt case study in a step-by-step manner. My name is Ross. I am a certified Six Sigma Master Black Belt, a certified Black Belt from American Society for Quality, a Lean specialist, a Minitab expert, a certified project management professional. I've completed over 700 Six Sigma and Lean projects, helping several Fortune 500 companies save billions of dollars. And I have conducted Six Sigma, Lean and project management trainings for over 9,000 hours. It is my genuine pleasure to use all my experience and expertise to train you by virtue of this Six Sigma Green Belt Training and Certification Program. This course is designed for anyone who is looking to achieve a Six Sigma Green Belt certification and gain an in-depth understanding of using Six Sigma tools and techniques to improve their business process. This is the only course available online that teaches the 5 phases of a Six Sigma roadmap called DMAC in 15 subsequent and easy steps. In each lesson, we are going to spend our time together engaging in a discussion of the process improvement techniques used by Six Sigma Green Belts. You begin your journey with the introduction phase and then continue to go through the define, measure, analyze, improve, and control phase of the DMAC roadmap. In the introduction phase, you will understand topics such as what is quality, what is business process reengineering or BPR, what are the different Sigma belts, what is Lean and Kaizen. You will get introduced to descriptive and inferential statistics, and you will learn about process baseline, process entitlement, and process benchmark. You will then be introduced to a case study, after which you will begin with the define phase. Here, you will learn how to identify customers and capture their voices. You will also learn tools such as affinity diagram, Kano analysis, CTQ drill down tree, project charter, change acceleration process or CAP tools such as ARMY, RACI, threat versus opportunity matrix, stakeholder analysis, elevator speech, communication plan, and then you will also learn SIPOC. Moving on to the measure phase, you will learn to draw process maps, value stream maps, you will understand takt time, continuous and discrete data, XY matrix, sampling and sampling techniques, measurement system analysis, run chart, normality test, yield, and how do you calculate the sigma value of your business process. In the analyze phase, you learn tools such as brainstorming, fishbone diagram, 5-eye analysis, Pareto chart, box plot, scatter plot, multi-voting, control impact matrix, among others. Here, you will further learn at least 15 different statistical tests on Minitab under the topic called hypothesis testing. In the improve phase, you will learn tools such as brainwriting, assumption busting, modified brainstorming, lean tools such as 5S, Hyjunka, generic pull, Jidoka, just in time, and then you will understand solution selection matrix, implement a pilot, and failure mode and defect analysis. Finally, in the control phase, you will learn what is statistical process control. You will understand at least 7 different types of control charts. You will create a control plan, replicate and share best practices, and then you will learn how to close a project. In this Six Sigma Green Belt certification program, you're going to learn over 100 Lean and Six Sigma tools and techniques. Now, along with these lessons, I have also provided a number of real-life anecdotes. These real-life Six Sigma stories will make sure you get the right amount of real-world experience to your understanding of Six Sigma. In addition to this, I have also provided activities at the end of each section to ensure that you've mastered the concepts before moving on. And as you move through the entire course, you work on a realistic case study that evolves as you learn every concept. By the end of the course, you will become a true Six Sigma Green Belt certified expert. Now, my teaching methods have a proven track record of success. With over 85% of my students have been extremely successful Six Sigma Green Belt professionals. Now, I'm going to help you too. Together, we are going to walk step by step through the topics. We are going to hone your skills needed to be a successful Six Sigma Green Belt, and we are going to achieve your certification and get you on the road to improving your organization's business process. There are a couple of requirements to enroll. Number 1, you should have completed the Six Sigma Yellow Belt training program. And 2, I need your commitment to watch the lectures, study the information, and be a successful certified Six Sigma Green Belt. I am so confident in this course and your ability to succeed that if you are unhappy with it for any reason, within your first 30 days, your money will be refunded with no questions asked. So, read the course description, watch a few of the preview videos, check out the reviews left by my previous students, and enroll in the course today. You've got nothing to lose. Let's get you Green Belt certified.